Another key component to energy efficiency is excess heat. And joining me now to talk about one of our newest technologies is Julien Genetier. So when we talk about waste heat, the gas from an exhaust pipe is something that comes to mind.
Yes, Lily, right. It's actually a very visible form of excess heat because it's very easy to spot the exhaust gas that come through a chimney from a boiler, an engine, a furnace. So it doesn't take a lot to become energy hunter and to hunt for excess heat. Just look up at the chimney. To give a number, today's engine, which have been developing and improving in performance and in efficiency over so many years, are still releasing 35% of the original fuel energy into the exhaust gas. So imagine if we could recover that waste heat, that excess heat, to put it to good use. And that's what our team has been focusing on solving.
That's fantastic. So what is it about this new product specifically that helps our customers utilize this excess heat?
Yeah, so our team has been using decades of experience in the boiler market for marine and power to develop a completely new type of heat exchangers in order to recover exhaust gas heat from these exhaust gas streams. As always, with all Alfa Laval heat exchangers, it sets new standard for energy efficiency, reliability, and serviceability. But you will see all those features in the release movie later on. But let me add just one more thing. We are releasing this product in this forum today. However, we have already delivered hundreds across the world in different applications. For example, we have one installation where we are using excess heat from the genset in order to use that heat further for an ORC and further improving the overall energy efficiency on the total electricity plant. A second example would be where we take excess heat from a gas engine and use that excess heat to produce hot water for hotels, for example. And we have many hundreds of those references around the world already today. So many exciting opportunity to use this excess heat and use it as a new fuel, reducing energy demand and improving the carbon footprint of existing operation.
Great. Let's find out more about this new product.
Today, 2/3 of total prime energy from power generation, transportation, industry, and buildings goes to waste, and we need to save it. Energy efficiency is the world's first fuel and the main route to net zero. Well, if I need to keep it simple, I say that improving energy efficiency is an essential element of transition to net zero. 22% of heat from exhaust gases from engines and gas turbines is getting wasted if we don't recover it. Alfa Laval exhaust recovery heat exchanger makes it possible to save up to 22% of heat and thereby reduces carbon emissions. This heat exchanger is compact in its design due to its innovation and extended heat transfer area. It can heat water, oil, triethylene glycol, and produce steam. Integrated regulation damper, shoot blower, and dry run are some of the features which are not available in conventional shell and tube type heat exchangers. Often I see less than a year's payback period for this heat exchanger. That makes it easy for our customer to take purchase decision. The exhaust recovery heat exchangers results are very impressive and leads to big savings in terms of cost, energy use, and CO2 reduction. In the race to net zero, it is the energy efficiency that will win the race. Energy conserved is life preserved. My name is Himanshu, and I am introducing Alfa Laval's exhaust recovery heat exchanger.